Critical thinking is all about teaching children to analyze, evaluate, and use logical reasoning to solve problems and make decisions. So let's dive right in. Firstly, encourage open-ended questions and discussions. Encouraging your kids to ask questions that don't necessarily have a right or wrong answer can stimulate their critical thinking abilities. Engage in meaningful conversations with them, giving them the opportunity to express their thoughts and opinions. This will help develop their ability to see multiple perspectives and think critically about various topics. Secondly, promote problem-solving activities. Engage your kids in puzzles, riddles, and brain teasers. These activities challenge their minds and require them to think critically. Encourage them to think creatively and come up with different solutions to problems. This will help them develop a systematic approach to analyzing situations and finding effective solutions. Next, encourage independent thinking. It's vital for kids to develop their own thoughts and ideas. Encourage them to express their own opinions, even if it differs from yours. Help them articulate their reasoning behind their thoughts, and challenge them to provide evidence to support their arguments. This will foster their ability to think critically and make informed decisions. Additionally, teach them to evaluate information critically. In today's digital age, it's crucial for kids to determine the reliability and credibility of the information they encounter. Teach them to question the source of information, look for evidence, and verify facts before accepting something as true. This skill will empower them to make informed choices and avoid falling prey to misinformation. Lastly, provide real-life problem-solving opportunities. Encourage your kids to engage in real-life situations where critical thinking is required. For example, when shopping, involve them in comparing prices, quality, and features of different products. This will develop their ability to think critically about making informed decisions. In conclusion, enhancing critical thinking in kids is essential for their overall development. By encouraging open-ended discussions, promoting problem-solving activities, fostering independent thinking, teaching them to evaluate information critically, and providing real-life problem-solving opportunities, you can help your kids become critical thinkers. So why wait? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your kids bloom into sharp and analytical thinkers.